Hi everyone, these are faculty videos designed to help orient you to the demo kits that we use in the Mega Skills Lab. And just as background, why we have demo kits is because it's a pandemic. And in this pandemic, we don't want you reusing supplies. Like normally in a skills lab, you would go into the supply room, you'd grab what you need, you'd go back out, you'd teach students would touch everything, and then you pack it all back up. And those things that were not disposables came back into the lab for another class. But we don't want to do that because these are all vectors. These would be considered vectors that disease could be passed on. So we've created, Kathleen and Daphne and Ed have spent time ordering and filling little environmentally incorrect Ziploc bags for each skill that you're going to be demonstrating to the students. And the whole point is you're going to show them once, then they're going to pull out their own supplies and they're going to practice, and then they have a whole new second set of supplies that they can use for actual checkoff. And so how you do that within your room and with your people is your way of doing it. That's fine, but we're just going to show you why we chose what we chose for these demo packs. And so, for instance, if you have 3 groups to teach NG2, you're going to have 3 packages of these demo kits. And just throw everything away at the end of that session, because Kathleen and I are going to throw them away if you don't throw them away. So I know it seems wasteful, but it's a pandemic, and that's why it is what it is.